Hey guys, welcome back. I used to think when I was a kid that I was a bird in a past life, and that's because I thought I made a really good bird noise. Anyway, but I love watching birds. And half the time they're hiding from me because I have this big tree outside my house and I hear them, but I can't see them. So for Great Outdoors Week, I thought, I need to see them. How can I draw them out? So what did I do? Boop, 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 boop. I went on the internet and the internet showed me how to make a super cute bird feeder. It's so adorable, you guys. So you need popsicle sticks, glue, bird feed, and string. And if you want to like decorate your popsicle sticks, you can, get markers, paint, whatever. I personally painted mine some cute summer colors, but it's so easy, you guys. It's so cute, and I'm going to show you how to make it.